Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you keep your vehicles running smoothly. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the Chevrolet Express, engine code P0205, injector 5 misfiring. Now, let's break down this issue and how to fix it. The P0205 code is an indication that the fifth injector in your Chevrolet Express is misfiring. This can lead to a rough idle, stalling, or even a check engine light. To fix this, you'll need to replace the faulty injector. It's important to note that injectors can sometimes be tricky to diagnose, so it's always a good idea to consult a professional mechanic. If you're unsure about the issue, remember, regular maintenance and timely repairs can help prevent issues like this from arising. If you're experiencing any other car troubles, don't hesitate to reach out to us for more helpful tips and advice. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!